Nicole Kidman and Zac Efron share insight into the new Netflix film title, A Family Affair. A rom-com starring Nicole Kidman and Zac Efron will premiere on Netflix, although the title was originally something else. During an interview with People, the couple claimed originally it had a different title, the 57-year-old said, prompting her co-star to respond. It was called Expletive, to which the actress replied, beeped out, adding somehow that didn't make it onto the Netflix title. According to the performers, the title stood out among the many offers they received. That made the script stay at the top of the pile. He informed me, it's like, what on earth could this be about? Nicole and Zac previously appeared in the 2012 thriller The Paperboy, and the later stated, I jumped. I believe we both kind of did. We leaped at it, he said, adding, it was wonderful. What better way to reconnect, and we get to have fun. Nicole, meanwhile, stated that the current picture was a departure from the standard in the rom-com genre, claiming that there isn't enough of such films, upsetting the status quo. There's dearth, she said. We have had it from way back with older men and younger women. That's just always been the norm. That's just always been the norm. It's okay. It's completely acceptable. She went on, the trouble is we haven't got the equivalent from all various perspectives with women presenting the experiences, and we need game men. Zac came in and makes the film because he was like, I'm here to have fun, to play, and to very much be a part of this and be there for you, for both Joy and I.